The world of smartphones with a comprehensive review of the Honor Magic 6 Pro. Honor has recently released this high-spec flagship camera phone for global markets, promising top-notch features and exceptional camera capabilities. So, let's put it to the test and see how it fares in our detailed review. The Honor Magic 6 Pro is designed with a strong emphasis on photography. Its unique camera setup includes a main camera with a dual aperture lens and a telephoto camera featuring a super high-resolution sensor. Additionally, it offers a dual selfie setup with a wider than usual selfie cam and a 3D 2F camera. These features position the Magic 6 Pro as a serious contender in the realm of smartphone photography. In terms of design and build quality, the Honor Magic 6 Pro doesn't disappoint. It boasts a premium aesthetic with a large round camera bump and a choice of materials including faux leather or glass for the back panel. The device is IP68 rated, providing excellent protection against dust and water, making it suitable for various environments and conditions. The Magic 6 Pro sports a curved 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display with a high resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. This combination results in sharp visuals and smooth scrolling, enhancing the overall user experience. With minimal bezels and support for HDR10+ video and Dolby Vision, the display on the Magic 6 Pro stands out as one of the best in its class. Under the hood, the Honor Magic 6 Pro is powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8Gen3 chipset, delivering excellent performance and efficiency. With a large battery capacity of 5060 mAh and fast charging capabilities, including 66W wired and wireless charging, the Magic 6 Pro ensures you stay powered up throughout the day, even with heavy usage. One of the standout features of the Honor Magic 6 Pro is its comprehensive camera system. From the main camera with a dual aperture lens to the telephoto camera with impressive zoom capabilities and the ultra-wide camera, this device offers versatility and quality in capturing both photos and videos. Despite some minor drawbacks in certain aspects of video recording, the overall performance of the camera system is commendable, especially in still photography and selfie shots. The Honor Magic 6 Pro offers a solid suite of flagship features, making it a compelling choice for smartphone enthusiasts, particularly those with a keen interest in photography. From its premium design and impressive display to its high-performance hardware and comprehensive camera system, the Magic 6 Pro ticks all the boxes for a top-tier smartphone experience. While there may be some room for improvement in certain areas, overall, the Magic 6 Pro stands out as a flagship worthy of recommendation. Thank you for joining us for this in-depth review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content. And be sure to let us know your thoughts on the Honor Magic 6 Pro in the comments below. Until next time, take care and happy smartphone shopping.